Welcome to Education 24/7. In this tutorial we will discuss about if-else statement. Let's begin. Open new project in DevC software. There are three types of variations. Number 1, only if. Number 2, if and else statement. Number 3, if, else and if and else statement. We will understand these one by one to give you a better idea about it. The syntax of if statement is like this: if, brackets and curly brackets. Always take care of indentation, and I will recommend you to do watch our previous tutorials for better vision. Firstly, we will write the keyword if, and in these brackets we will write condition. This part is of condition. Condition can be made by using operators, which we discussed in our previous tutorials. Relational operators, arithmetic operators makes the condition, and these curly brackets are the scope of condition, and it is known as the body of if statement. How to use this statement? Let's declare a variable int price is equals to 15. Now in the condition of if, we will write if price less than 20, and in the body we are going to write printf you can buy it. You can buy anything, it's an example. So if the price is less than 20, it will check the condition. If the price is less than 20, then you will see this message displayed at the output screen. So let's execute this program and check out its result. Here you can see at the output screen you can buy it is displayed. So what happened here? If condition checks out the statement. So what happens here? If the condition is true, then the message in the body will be executed, or the program in the body will be executed at the output screen. Let's suppose if the condition is opposite, price is greater than 20, then this condition is false. So the body or the program in the body will not be executed. Let's try this and compile the program. You can see no message is displayed at the output screen. So this is how if statement works. In the next tutorial we will discuss about if and else statement. So stay connected to Education 24/7.